If you could describe 2020 in one word.
Busy.
What was the biggest challenge that CRF faced this 2020?
With COVID happening and all the things going on, not having our volunteers really meant that we had a lot more to do on our own.
How did you guys overcome that challenge?
We have a great staff, a great team, and through constant communication and making sure that everybody was on the same page, we really were able to push ourselves past our limits and really get a lot of work done.
And what helped you stay positive through it all?
Making a real difference and being able to contribute to a big change is very rewarding, keeping me going.
And what would you say was one big accomplishment of the CRF team this year?
This year, I think we've had one of our most efficient and crazy outplanting seasons ever.
What was your biggest accomplishment this year?
I originally came here as an intern, and I actually got asked to stay on as a temporary restoration associate, which practically never happens, so that really meant a lot to me.
And what advice would you give to someone who feels disheartened by this year's events?
For you personally, focus on things that make you happy and bring you peace.
And then last, what advice would you give to someone who wants to help save coral reefs?
Learn everything you can, take classes if you're still in school studying this kind of stuff, and start to look for opportunities to get involved and see what you can do.